Sharing this experience with everyone visiting Sri Lanka gives me a great pleasure. Reason, I have given you the exact flavor of Sri Lanka.
That is yummy. Say again what it is.
Bring the millet flour.
Sri Lanka has absolutely blown me away.
The sights, the sounds, the smells, the people, the food. Sri Lanka is one of my favourite countries already. It really feels like we've been let in behind closed doors, but also really invited into people's homes.
Instead of eating in restaurants and at hotels, you have your leader, you have local families, and you're actually rolling up your sleeves and getting to know how to cook this amazing food.
The meaning of Intrepid is being adventurous. I do the tours with the exact meaning.
We are going out to see the elephants. Oh, look at him stretching out.
This is one of the rarest chances and see all these animals in the wild. They're so protected and they're really nice to see.
Our leader on this trip has been Dodan. He's just taken us all under his wing and really shown us things that we never would have seen without him.
And having those built-in companions to share those experiences with, to laugh with, and to really build those memories was really fun.
The world is so beautiful with beautiful people. Just enjoy the life and just love each other.
Big belly laughs. That's right.